Hello everyone, let's prepare this kind of transition slide which is creative and innovative. First of all, copy an image to a blank slide, insert a rectangle and increase the length to out of the slide. Go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Right click, go to Format Shape, choose Gradient Fill. Now click on the first gradient stop, choose white color and increase the transparency to 100%. Now click on the second gradient stop, choose white color and increase the transparency to 5%. Now set the position of the first gradient stop to 60%. Rotate the rectangle to 60 degree. Duplicate the shape 2 times using Ctrl D. Increase the size of the third duplicated shape till it reaches out of the slide and decrease the transparency to 9%. Write title and subtitle. Duplicate the slide. Now go to first slide, select the shapes and drag out of the slide. Increase the size of the image. Go to transition, choose morph, set the duration to 4 seconds and apply to all. Click on the slideshow to see the results. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please share the video ahead. Do like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.